Hey designers, welcome back to UI/UX designing. In today's video, I'll show you 5 super useful Figma plugins that can help you streamline your workflow. I'll guide you through how to install each plugin and demonstrate with quick examples so you can see how they work. Let's dive in. How to install plugins in Figma. Before we jump into the plugins, let me quickly show you how to install them. In Figma, just go to the Plugins menu, click Browse Plugins and Community, then search for the plugin you need. Once you find it, click Install, and it'll be ready to use. I'll start with Quick Tracking, but you can use the same process for the other plugins too. Plugin number 1, Quick Tracking, for visual feedback. Quick Tracking is perfect for teams. It lets you add visual feedback directly on your designs by creating clickable annotations. Simply select the element you want to comment on, open the Quick Tracking plugin, and add your notes. Let's say I'm working on this UI frame, and I want to highlight a change. I select the frame, open Quick Tracking, and drop a comment about changing the button size. It's a super efficient way to manage design feedback with your team. Plugin number 2, Content Reel, for placeholder text and data. Next up is Content Reel, which lets you fill your designs with placeholder content like text, avatars, and more. Instead of manually typing lorem ipsum, you can add real-looking content with a click. For example, here's a profile card. I can select the text field, open Content Reel, choose names, and boom, it's filled with a realistic name. You can do the same for avatars, emails, and more. Plugin number 3, Auto Documentation, for generating style guides. The Auto Documentation plugin helps you generate style guides automatically. It creates documentation for your colors, fonts, spacing, and more. Just select the components you want documented and launch the plugin. Let's say I've designed this button and I want to generate a style guide. I select the button, run Auto Documentation, and it gives me a complete breakdown of its properties, like colors, font sizes, and spacing. Plugin number 4, Noise and Texture, for adding depth to designs. Need to add a bit of texture to your designs? The Noise and Texture plugin lets you apply grainy effects or textures to any shape. This is great for adding depth to otherwise flat designs. Here, I'll select this background, open the plugin, and apply a subtle grain texture. Notice how it instantly gives the design more depth and character. You can adjust the noise intensity to fit your style. Plugin number 5, Tailwind CSS Color Generator, for Tailwind users. Finally, for those of you designing web projects with Tailwind CSS, the Tailwind CSS Color Generator is a must-have. It helps you generate Tailwind-compatible color palettes in seconds. Here's how it works. I select a base color from my design, run the plugin, and it automatically generates all the shades and tints I need for my Tailwind CSS setup. It's great for web developers and designers working with Tailwind. And that's a wrap. These 5 plugins will definitely speed up your design process and make your projects more efficient. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more design tips, and comment below which plugin you're most excited to try out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.